But here today I'm in the dark. I don't know why. Don't know. I'm just outside. You probably can't see that. I'm just pointing outside. My kitty cat wants me. If I can pick her up. You can't see her. Wait, kitty stash. You should probably hurt her though. Kitty stash. I just wanted to post a video, because I kind of got bored. Ow! Yeah. Now you'll come outside. My cats. You want to be outside? Yeah. So we should record as I walk around. My mom's phone's dying because she won't get my phone. And there's inside. Oh, look, it's my fans. That is so blurry. I'm gonna take you in my room in a little bit, but yeah. So that was it, guys. I just wanted to be like a little funny moment. I just got bored.